Altus Charm is acting up. Racing just is started with Mariana. Break quickly start. Blue Orchid moving period. Sarantic Altus Charm. Then next on line is Amazon's Kingdom. Then followed now by Director Led Gold. Then next on line is Ayusba, while Camotes Island is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the back stretch, we have Blue Orchid, Darling, anyhow, Hunting is right behind in second. Mariana is racing into the Director's Led Gold comes next, moving a party yards. That is Amazon's Kingdom. Then next online now is Altus Charm, Ayusba, second less. Another for turn, we have Blue Orchid by about half length. Hunting now about to throw the challenge shot the outside. Then comes Amazon's Kingdom. Then comes Mariana. And they are now entering the home stretch. Blue Orchid. Hunting is on the outside. We have Hunting, Blue Orchid, party round for lead with about 150 meters more to run. Hunting, Blue Orchid is running by the rail. Hunting by the length over Blue Orchid. And finally, Hunting, Blue Orchid, Amazon's Kingdom. Then comes Ayusba.
Alright, buying Calarista, number 6, Hunted. Crossing the wire first, run by A.G. Avila. Then Massive Segunda, number 5, Blue Orchid. Amazon's Kingdom. Then Ayusba. Panari natin replay nito ating race number 1.
Tama yung perfect.